Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm gonna be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 waterproof HD sports and helmet camera with travel kit, and it's a limited edition dusk white. So I bought this from Best Buy for only $523.98. It was on sale. It was $86 off. So I got it, and I actually got this last week and I haven't got the chance to unbox it, so I'm gonna unbox it with you and show you what came in the box. So here we go. Alright, so this is the box. You can tell I literally haven't touched it yet. Take this out. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the GoPro dusk white, and then this is the travel kit. So we'll open this one first to see what's inside and then go on from there. Alright, so here's the GoPro, still in the plastic bag. Take it out. I'm actually excited. I might use this when I vlog sometimes, and the main reason why I bought this is because I'm planning to solve a 2,000 piece puzzle soon. I want to use this to record it all throughout the process. Also, I'm going to Nova Scotia and PEI in August. So we're going to be swimming, we're going to be going around, most likely like sea adventures. So obviously I need a waterproof camera. So that is mainly the reason why I got this. So this is what it looks like. It says Hero 7 black. It says black, but it's not black. It's 12 megapixel, 4K 60, and can go to 33 feet or 10 meters. I'm not a big like tech person, but I'll just show you guys or tell you guys what it says on the boxes. Alright, so it says 12 megapixel, 4K 60, 1080p 240, 33 feet. I guess there's like a little bit of like either a Google or like a Siri thing, and then it's touch screen, 8 times the slow-mo, it has GPS, HDR, live streaming is available as well, and hyper smooth. This is basically like when you move a lot, it adjusts to it so that it's not very shaky. And then at the back, it's just that. And then on this side, it tells you what's inside. So, made for iPhone and iPad. Cool. Alright, let's open it. So you're supposed to open it. Alright, well, opened. Ooh, got it. Alright, so here is the GoPro. It's with a casing. The casing is basically the same color as the GoPro itself. It looks like white and gray, like in the middle of white and gray. Let's take this out. You pull this up, and then you squeeze this and push forward. There you go. So it comes out like so. There you go. So it says remove. So this is the GoPro, and it says we remove this thing. Okay, let's remove this thing. The last GoPro that I had was literally the cheapest one because I was broke then, but we were going somewhere that again involved water, and I wanted to like videotape it and stuff. So alright, we're gonna try to take it out of the casing. that's a little scary. So taking it out of the casing, just gonna push it out a little bit. There we go. Yeah, this is what it looks like. We can take this off. It's gonna be so satisfying. ASMR. So this is what it looks like, and you can see yourself. And there we go. The power button is there. What is this? Oh, okay. The charging stations are there, and connections. Alright. And then at the bottom, you literally just like press this and then slide. And this is where the battery goes. And then, oops. And there's a mode button here. Should we try to turn it on? Hold on. We're gonna see the rest of what's in here, okay? So, this is what it looks like when you open. Has basically manuals-ish. Oh. Literally explaining what I just did. I should have read this first, but I didn't. Oh well. If you need help, and the typical GoPro stickers, and then the safety instructions. It's literally a booklet. Oh, it's in a lot of languages as well. Can you guys see? Okay, it's okay. So, then we open it here. Oops, you can see the battery. Today, you can see some mounts. Okay, mounts. And the charging cable. It's a 3C as well. Pretty good. And you can tell that this will be for the GoPro because it says GoPro. Now on this one, is there anything on this one actually? Nope, nothing. So that's basically it for the GoPro. Like what's inside just the GoPro package. But since I got the travel kit with it, we're gonna open that one as well before I turn on the GoPro. Right, so we also got the travel kit. I'm not sure if this one comes with no, something else. I mean, like the body one. I'm not too sure. But it says it comes with these. But we will see. We will see what's inside. It says GoPro. Let's take this out. And let's open it. I like the handle. It's pretty sturdy. Open, and this is what it looks like. So there's a pocket in here that has something, seems like. And this is what it looks like. So this is the tripod, the mini tripod that goes with it. So you can untie this, put it on, and then retie it. Like, let me demonstrate it. So you take it out. So you put this over here. There, snug and tight. Okay, I won't lock it as much, but this is what it looks like. This is my face. This is how big it is. It's actually pretty small. Like, that's my hand, and that's how small it is. Okay? So you go like this if you want to vlog, and then I think this separates into like a tripod like that. So it's a selfie stick and a tripod, and I believe this extends, right? Yeah, it should. Oh, there we go. Did he? Oh, only that tall. There we go. That's the tallest. That's the tallest. Literally a hand. So that's how it goes. If you wanna use it, you know, like that. So that's for this. And then we also got another case. Maybe we can open this one up. Okay, whatever. Another case. It's a black case with a like a security thing for your hand. So it would look like that if you want to carry it by your hand. Let's try it on. I think I need to buy a screen protector for this screen. Alright, so we're putting this in, I believe, like that. Here we go. This is what it looks like when the protector is on. Okay, just pure black, and then this. So there you go. And then that is it for the kit. And you can put it as like a necklace or like strap it on your hand. That's it for the travel kit, really. I don't know if it's useful because the tripod is pretty small, and this I'm not sure when I would use. I'm trying to put the battery in right now. Alright. I like how it has a little thingy here. This thingy. So it's easy for you to pull out after. Alright guys, so I tried turning it on. And that's what it says. Black 7. And then now it's trying to set up. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I'm gonna put the link down below if you guys are interested in buying it. By the way, this is not sponsored or anything. Best Buy doesn't know I'm doing this. GoPro doesn't know I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm just sharing with you guys what I got, and this is not a way of bragging or anything, but I just wanted to share because I think it's nice to share, and on my own perspective, I would like to see what's included in the box before I buy something, you know. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys what's in the box when you buy a GoPro, the limited edition Dusk White. There we go again. So yeah, that's basically it. When I will be using it, I will let you guys know when I'll be using it, so then you can see the quality, the range of the picture that it covers, and all that. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.